Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Okay, we got another Bakugan starter pack opening. Ooh, these are all pre-recorded, and I'm getting wiped. Anyway, the next one I'm actually excited for. Let's have a look at it. So last one we had Aventus Cineus. This one we have, well, Aventus Finica Ultra. It's pretty cool. Look at it. And you also get an Aquos Dragonoid and a Pyrus Sharktar, which is hilarious because we just covered the Sharktar Ultra video a little while back. Alright, so now we got both an Ultra and a Core. That's just hilarious. Wait, I just realized I got an Ultra and a Core of Finica. Wow, that's weird. Okay. Alright, just getting all this open. There we go. Okay, so start with the cards, of course. Skadoosh. Wait, hold on. Yep, Fenica's got attack, so I'm gonna go full surgeon. Alright, so got all 6 cores. I'm getting wiped out right now, people. Alright, so that's the instructions. The gate card, oh, classic. One we've seen before. So, Finica Ultra. 800 B power. Wow. And 1 crit. That's pretty good. What the hell, Dragonoid? 800 B power, 1 crit, and with the scan ability when it wins. Wait, what? I'm done! I'm done! Sharktar, 800 B power, 1 crit. This is the OP pack, people. This is the OP pack. All 3 have 800 B power and 1 crit. And this one has the scan ability. This is the deck to build right here. Oh, so the abilities it comes with. Sonic Scream, 10 crit, scan. Stardust Eye Blast, which grants 900 B power. And Ventus, Searing Ventus Sun, which grants 12 crit. Yikes. This is definitely the OP pack, people. Oh my god. Oh. This is the pack to get. This is definitely the pack to... Oh crap, I'm actually breaking it. I'm actually ripping it apart. Oh god. If you guys want to get into Bakugan, this is the pack you need to get. Just because of the B power alone. Oh, I nearly cut my eye out. So, time to go full surgeon, thank God. Alright. Get Finica out. Which is definitely like a kitsune right now, because I mean even its feet are floppy about. Oh my god. The Ultra one is crazy. Let's quickly work out how to close him. Or her, depending what gender it is, I don't know. So, how you close it, your ears go down. I think this goes down. In the tail. Then the rest of the tail. Okay, this is easy. Okay, this is really easy. This is definitely the pack to start off with. This is definitely the pack to start off with because this is an easy Ultra to close. And, yeah. I might try and find this pack, a couple more of these packs, and give them to my cousins before they go out of town. Alright, so here's the Pyrus Sharktar. Ultra one's better. The Ultra one is better. And Aquos Dragonoid. Ultra one better. It's no fun when you already did the Ultra ones. Wow, but still, this is the pack to get, people. Easy Ultra to open. All 3 800 B power. Wow. If you kids on the playground get this packet, you should not be messed with. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Next week will be the last starter pack opening. So let's hope I find more before then. So, till next time.